Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mudassir Ijaz and welcome to my channel Prog Tech. In this movie, we will discuss about the super global variables of the PHP. PHP has the many super global variables, but in this video, we will discuss about the two super global variables that is the and that's are the dollar sign post and dollar sign get. Dollar sign post and dollar sign get, because these are very important super global variables of the PHP, and we also use these two variables in further our tutorials. But here I want to give you a short intro about the dollar sign post and dollar sign get. Basically, what is the working of dollar sign post and get. Dollar sign post and get are basically used to collect the form data after we submit the form. They collect the data from our form and sending it to our PHP code, and by the help of this dollar sign post we use all the form data in our code. So in short, it is used to collect the form data after submitting an HTML form with the method post. And mostly we use the dollar sign post, and second is the dollar sign get and post. There is a very important difference between dollar sign post and get. The dollar sign get is also used to collect the form data from the HTML with the method get. Here is the definition for the both get and the post is similar to each other, but there is the difference between them. The difference is that when we use the dollar sign get, then our all the data that are we write in our input fields of our form, this data sent to our URL, means that if we give the id 6 and submit our form, then this id 6 also appears in our URL. And where is our means that if we give the id 6 in our form, then this id also show in our here data 6. Or if we give any name in our form and submit the data, then this name is also show in our URL. For example, I like the Mudassir in a form, then this is also show in our URL. That's why we there the difference between the get and post. But instead of the get and the dollar sign post, our data is hidden in the URL, and our browser give us the dummy data instead of the original data. So in this way, the dollar sign post is very secure than dollar sign get. But at some places we use the dollar sign get, because without the dollar sign get our work is not complete. That's why we also use the dollar sign get, but at some places where we need it. So but mostly we use the dollar sign post. There is the main difference. The main difference between dollar sign get and the post is that the URL difference, means that in dollar sign get it's show all data in the URL, but dollar sign post, it does not show our data in our URL. So this is the main difference between them. And in our further movies, we will discuss briefly about the dollar sign post and dollar sign get, and we also I will also show you the example between the dollar sign post and dollar sign get. Thank you so much for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.